Anybody with a Supra is looking for springs, I got springs for sale. These are my old setup. They're a little dirty, but pretty good. Only ran them for like 4 months. RSR springs. What's good, y'all? Got another video for you guys. If you guys know from the back video, I said I was getting an alignment, but I ended up not getting an alignment that day. So right now it's Monday. I'm about to be on my way to go get an alignment at the same shop from Wheezy. So yeah, I've just been driving the car around. Car drives fine. Doesn't even feel like it's on bags half the time. For the most part, I'm in love with it. If you're ever thinking about bagging your car, I think you should go for it. So also my springs, my old springs I was running, they are for sale. So they're still for sale. I'll let you guys know if they get sold, or if you want, or if you're interested, you can just comment below or send me an email. My email's down below, or just hit me up on IG, whatever it is. But right now we're about to go dial in my suspension. I got some spacers on the way, and I also have like something from Consumer Performance they sent me to do a video on. So a couple things coming this week, so just stay tuned. Right now I'm in my room, if you couldn't tell. Y'all don't know how my room looks. I got like a bunch of like car photos, all my photos I've ever took, all my cars and shit. But yeah, we better be on our way to go get this. I want to mention is that I never got an alignment when I first loaded the car into springs. So I think it's really due for one. So we better go ahead and take care of that. I'm about to make sure I got everything in my camera. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna run camber or not. So we gonna see. But for the most part, let's get the suspension right.
My windows tinted, they can't see me if I'm in it. Long distance, I might use it.
Damn, she looking pretty good. Alright, so we're here. I didn't want to film me driving because, you know, I don't know. But he just ran out real quick. He told me to chill here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just wait for him to come back. I ain't got shit to do, so make sure I'm the first person here to get this alignment done. And we'll go from there. What, in the white car? Yeah. Sheesh. Tough guy. Underneath my car.
You put that on a car today, they'd be like, you're trying to say terrorist or something like that. it's crazy.
Yeah, that is actually crazy. I didn't think you carried them with you.
You think this is a fucking game?
Camera. Need to work on my fitment, bro. Need to work on the fitment. All done, baby. Boy got me right. It's my guy Wheezy. Make sure y'all check him out, bro. So yeah, car's running smooth. Just got the alignment done. Ran me about like 80 bucks. But Wheezy, if you guys don't know who Wheezy is, Backdoor Tires in Norwood for the Boston area. He always takes good care of us, especially me and my peoples with the cars. He even worked on my Type R for me, so I always go to him. And yeah, so we gotta fix one thing on the bag. So we're gonna go back to where I got it done, and car should be running good from here. Even though I washed the car last night, then I'm gonna go wash it again.
that was Ross that just called me. So, car's clean. I'm about to go follow him to the car wash. And we go from there. Oh, she's sitting right and she drives really well. The alignment really helped. Like I said, we got some things coming in to fix up the little fitment a little bit, but we added a little bit more camber to that side because this side was running -4. That was around like -1. So we kind of just, we did even that out, took away some of the camber in the rear so that I have more grip towards the rear. So Weezy took care of me, like I said. Backdoor tires in Norwood, he'll get you right. In alignment, amazing alignment. My shit has been straight this whole time. My hand hasn't been on the wheel. Y'all, I really sat here and spent $13 and some of my time, my life, cleaning this car to get it clean because she was so dirty, just for it to rain. Like, I don't understand. Like, every time you wash the car, why does it have to rain? Please, somebody explain. Like, I don't understand. Like, I got her all nice and pretty, got every inch, and it's still not enough. What's good, y'all? So what do you guys think about my ride height so far? Fire, right? So yeah, alignment got done. I haven't went to go do a checkup with my boy Lifestyle, but the car's riding amazing. Like I said earlier, we fixed like camber in the rear and added more camber to the front. But right now the car looks so fucking good. I'm gonna take pictures and then make sure I get this uploaded to you guys. But yeah, man, listen, y'all, I just want to let y'all know, man, fuck what everybody say. Look what progress you making, man. You taking care, you holding it down, man. Salute to you. I also appreciate y'all tuning into my videos, man. It's only up from here. It's crazy, yo. Supra is bagged. But yo, it doesn't even feel like it's bagged sometimes. I'm not even gonna hold you. But car ride's amazing. I ride pretty low. That ride height you see me come in on is how I ride sometimes. That's my low ride height. So that's what I gotta align to. So I just, only reason I like bags is because I like riding low and then I can air up whenever I need to. But as a quick walk around of the car, my camera's about to die any second probably. Car looks amazing, bro. Car looks amazing. Yeah, man. Car looks amazing. Can't complain. I'm really blessed and I'm fortunate and I'm really thankful. And not only am I thankful, I'm just proud of myself because look at what I'm driving and look what I worked hard for, and I'm still currently working hard for it to even maintain this. So like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.